Hey everyone, so I'll be doing a flip through of my small Kikki planner in coral, or also called the pocket planner. So this planner is pretty small. It's my first pocket planner, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna use it. So the size comparison with my Filofax personal planner obviously is smaller, shorter, and obviously the rings are also pretty small. So here's the Kikki logo and then the big straps. So it's really different from the Filofax strap. And the first thing I noticed when I opened it, I see a little button indent because of the second button. So that's one of my pet peeves, I guess, I see when I first got this planner. So as I open this planner, you see there's a notes, and there's the turquoise theme, and then there's 3 dividers and a ruler and some stickers for the planner, and then it fits the calendar from December 2019 to December 2020. And it does have the weeklies from December 2019 and to December 2020. So it does fit a whole year of weekly inserts. And then the third divider has the notes, so it will fit a few pages of notes, and then the back has the notepad. Of course, I'm gonna replace all these inserts with my own inserts. I'm currently creating some pocket inserts to fit in this pocket planner. I'm not sure how I'm gonna use it yet, so we'll see in future videos. Currently ripping out the edge of the white paper and then testing out the rings to see how the rings work. Of course, this is a pocket planner. The rings are pretty small, which I don't mind at all, but of course this is pocket planner. But we'll see how I use it in future video. I don't know why I shake the rings, but I heard from someone that if you shake the rings and the rings does something and it's good or bad. I'm not really sure, but thanks for watching this video. Bye!